What is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the title of today's video guys. Today we're going to be playing Roblox Bed Wars, but we're going to be playing the new game mode which is 30v30. So there's a new update which just dropped yesterday, the Vulcan kit and 30v30. So in today's video we're going to be playing 30v30 guys. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe, and let's get right into it. In a 30v30 game right now, and we're in blue team, and actually the game is really laggy, but it's actually way better than the 100 player mode guys. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm really happy they removed the 100 player mode. Some people might have opinions on that, but I really don't like the 100 player mode personally, because like it used to, first off it used to be too laggy guys, and also like I just didn't like it. That, oh no, I fell in the void. But also I don't like it that much because there were too many teams and it was kind of impossible to win, because some people can have more teammates and some people can have less teammates. So that I don't like that, and I really like 30v30 game mode. It's pretty good. So we're gonna play it in this video guys. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So we're actually at mid right now. I think I'm gonna try to get some kills this game. I already got leather armor. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Guys, we just got ourselves iron armor and iron sword. So right now I'm just heading to mid, and I'm gonna try to get as many kills as possible, and I'm gonna try to get red team's bed because we are blue team. Someone just breached with oak. So let us try to get some kills. Oh my god, someone is turret. Someone has a new Vulcan kit. So oh yeah, that's red team. Ah shoot, that's bad. Oh my god, there are so many of our teams in their team's bed. I'm not even gonna lie. But everyone is unfortunately dying. I'm just gonna go in this mess and hopefully I get a kill. No, 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 no. Oh, wow, that was a really bad idea. They get a kill. Oh, yeah, I got a kill. That was good. Let's just go get an iron sword again and we're gonna go back to mid. Well, I'm just gonna go. I have two TNTs actually. I just bought the two TNTs after I died. So I think I'm just gonna go to Blue's base. Sorry, Red's base, and the defense is pretty good. So with just oak, so I'm just gonna go and just gonna place TNTs in our bed, their bed. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna die, but at least it makes holes. At least it makes holes in their bed. And we have so many people with us right now, which is pretty good. So also we're pretty low, so this is not gonna turn out good. Oh no. Okay, so we made the no. We couldn't place the TNT. Oh, I got 4 kills though, which is pretty good. See, I'm gonna get some more TNTs, guys, and I think I'm gonna go place it in Blue's bed. Sorry, Red's bed. Oh my God, someone. Oh no, we have tier 2 actually, which is pretty good. Some people have been through some. I think I'm just gonna get one TNT and go this time, guys, because I don't want to get pushed off like last time and just waste iron. So let's go. Oh, our bed defense is surrounded by a wall. Okay, someone has a slime block here. I don't. Oh no, I placed my TNT. Let's get TNT'd off. Oh, that actually just gave me a knockback. I think I'm just gonna go and gonna PvP some guys in the middle. So that's by mistake. I literally just bought 4 TNTs without buy, like I forgot to buy iron sword. So we have 4 TNTs, guys, and I'm gonna try to do the good old strat, go and place TNTs in red team's base. So let's just go. Let's sprint. Hopefully no one sees us. Oh my God, so many people can see me. I just know it. I should have got a better sword. Oh no, no. Oh no, shoot, this is bad. This is bad. Take out my TNTs. Run, run. Oh, we have to run, guys. We need to run. What the hell? How did I get bored off? Oh no, this is bad. I just wasted my iron on TNTs. Hope someone gets tier 3 soon, so all my teammates can get diamond armor. So well, we just got tier 3, so it's pretty good. So I think I'm gonna camp until I get diamond armor. So yeah. So guys, our team is actually going on track right now. Like legit, literally I have diamond armor, guys, and I just stacked up on balloons. I literally had 14 EMDs. I just stacked up on so many TNTs right now. I think I'm gonna get another stack of balloons and I'm gonna go. I just need one more emerald. Come on, emerald, spawn quickly. Come on. And there we go. I'll just stack up on 2 more TNTs and some more balloons, and let's go. Oh no, someone's on my bed. Oh, just my teammates will take care of it. Is Red's bed gone? Oh no, Red's bed is not gone. That's bad actually. Oh no, someone just placed a TNT in our bed. Oh, someone protect bed, man. I think I'm just gonna go. I'm trying to find an entrance, but yeah, here's the entrance. So I'm just gonna go right now, and I'm gonna go. This is zipline doing here. Sheesh! You're gonna scam me there, teammates? Sheesh! I almost just died. Luckily, I stacked up on balloons, so now I actually can use that balloons to get to the bed. Let's go. I think red has tier 3 too. Someone literally just sky basing in the red right there. I think I'm gonna get a tactical crossbow and I'm gonna go. Oh no, they play ceramic. Ah shoot, they know what we're doing. No. Oh, this kid is sky basing. Hey you. Oh, there's a turret. Oh no, 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 no. I need to right on top of the turret right now. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. This is bad, this is bad, this is very bad, this is very bad. Where do I place my TNT right now? Oh no, I can spam TNTs here. I can get some kills. Spam. Do they have tier 3? Am I capping? Let's go. Oh, I got a kill and that someone had 9 M's. Someone literally had 9 M's. I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna keep doing it. Spam, spam, spam. I need to get another kill, right? 35 M's. Oh my god. 35 EMDs. Are you kidding me? Where did that come from? I just spam my TNTs legit and I got 35 EMs. Oh, I need to get emerald armor right now. I'm gonna go back to base, get 5 EMCs, and I'm gonna get emerald armor. I feel so bad, but though. Yeah, I actually feel really bad, guys, but it's okay. I actually can't believe I got 35. I'm just gonna do the strategy over and over again. It's gonna be so good. Actually, 1.2k iron. I can get so many TNTs with that, guys. Let's go. I'm just gonna camp until I get emerald armor. Not even gonna lie, that was insane. Okay, literally I got 45 EMDs. I'm just gonna get myself emerald armor right now because I don't think I need to get their bed because like literally in some time the all beds are gonna break 5 minutes. I'm gonna spam. Oh, wait, how many TNTs can we even get with 2k iron? Oh no! Oh, we are about 30 TNTs, guys. Oh my god, 42 TNTs. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna go just stack up on some balloons or I'm gonna do the same strategy. Maybe by that we can get emerald sword. Who knows? Last time we just got 35 EMs. That was so good. No, so guys, our bed has just been destroyed. Actually, that's no problem because like in 4 minutes all beds will be destroyed. But guys, our teammates have been killed. Oh no, just one guy has been killed so far. Oh no, what the hell did that, man? Oh, it's okay. I'm just gonna use the same strategy again. But our teammates are just being killed all around the map, guys. I feel so bad for them. Oh no, we might lose this game, but this has been such an exciting game. I don't even care if we lose. Oh, Zach says he has emerald armor. I don't even care. No, guys, people are dying and they're leaving the game. Oh no, guys, this is actually bad. But guess what? I can use my strategy and maybe I can get myself emerald sword. Come on, come here. Come, how did I get any kills so far yet? Come on, have you improved? Have you guys improved? No, you guys have not. I bet. Come on, man. Oh my god, a guy has a rage blade. Oh, I have got 18 M's. I just got a kill. 3 kills actually to get 18 EMs, which is pretty good. So I'm actually might lose countdown balloons. So I actually just need to like get down here and the sky base. I can just keep throwing TNTs from here. No worries. Whip, 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 whip. I'm gonna save up my TNTs for later. No, I just wasted all my TNTs. Oops, I got obliterated. Now I need to just waste all my TNTs. Oh my god, I got another kill. I'm literally on the top of my leaderboard. Oh, this is such a good strategy, guys. I'm not okay. So I think I have 24 M's. I got what I wanted. I'm gonna go back to base right now, and I'm gonna get emerald sword. I don't even care if we don't win, guys. This has been such a drill game. It's been such a good game, and I don't even care if we lose actually. So yeah. I think the next game we have to win to make up for the loss in this game. I don't know. We might still win. Oh no, we can't, guys. We have only 3 people left in our team, but this has been such a good game that's like such a good strategy. I'm not even gonna lie. What the? What is it? No, no, this is bad. I can't get anything from the shop. Oh shoot, this is so bad. I don't even have. Oh no, getting emerald sword and I need to run. Got emerald sword. Come on, come here. Come here, come here. Don't be AFK, not generator. Go, 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 go. Get the kill, get the kill, kill. I got a kill, I got a kill. He had 19 M's. He had 19 M's? Let's go. Shoot, guys, I'm out of balloons, but I'm just getting kills. But this is so damn bad, guys. We need to stack up on balloons right now. Oh my god, so many balloons, 30 balloons, guys. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my god, I have emerald sword too, so there's actually 3 teammates left. It's T. Shomth who has emerald armor. So there's actually no spectators in our team. So I'm just gonna in team chat. Oh, this is gonna be so good. There's such a huge advantage for us. All beds will break. Oh, once all beds break, I'm going and using my strategy. Bombarding their full bed. I have 14 kills right now, which is pretty good. This is both of them told hi. So I'm gonna tell we need to win this. Oh my god, guys, if we win, this will be the biggest clutch I've ever done in my life. Because all beds will be destroyed. Oh my god, this is so good for us. I'm just gonna get some telepearl just in case, and I'm gonna get some more balloons. And you guys know what I'm gonna do. Using my old OG strategy. Oh, I hope none of my teammates die. I hope all those. Oh my god, we need the dub so damn bad. I need some balloons. I need some more balloons. 42, 40. I have 42 legit balloons. I'm gonna get myself another TNT because why not? Yep, that should be good. Oh my god, I need some more iron. I just need one more TNT, guys. No, actually no need. I'm going. I'm going in hot. This has been such an intense game. I think I need to get some kills. Like some kills to just even the game out. I don't know what my teammate is doing right now. He's been obliterating bodies all around the game. So time to use my strat. Actually this time I'm gonna throw telepearl first. No, actually no. I'm gonna save it. No, actually I'm gonna throw it right there. No, actually can I save it? Yeah, I'm gonna save it, guys. I'm so nervous right now because there are so many red teams left. Oh, they want a PvP. Come on. Sure, we'll PvP. Get in the void, kid. Oh no, this is bad. Someone has emerald armor. You know what? I'm just gonna waste one TNT here because why not? Oh no, guys, these people in red have emerald armor too. This is so damn bad. Someone over here is sky basing. One TNT will get you out of the game. Yeah, you're out of the game. Yeah, 18 kills. You're out of the game. Let's go. Time to do my special attack. Chicken. They're putting ceramic. I need to do that before they put. No, they're buying me. They're buying me. But chill, I have 14 balloons. Let's go. 18. So much. No. Oh. Biggest clutch. Biggest clutch I've ever done in my life. How didn't I flip and die there? Oh, I got a kill. Let's go. How many people are left? No, so little people. So less people right now, guys. So less. Oh my god, this might be the best game in. This might be the best game ever, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm stacked on balloons, kids. You can't get me. Oh no, I just need one more kill. Come on. No, I'm out of TNTs. I knew I should have got some more TNTs. Ah, shoot. Guys, do I go back to base right now? I don't know. I think I'm gonna go back to base. I'm out of TNTs. Oh, shoot. That's the least thing I wanted for me to happen. Oh man, I think 40 TNT is not enough. I think I'm gonna do the same strategy again. It was pretty good. I'm gonna go back to base right now, and I'm gonna. Oh my god, you want a balloon fight, kid? Sure, I got no problem in that. You have no armor. Oh shit, this guy's balloon name is good. Boy name is good. I mean, sheesh, you playing TNT in your own bed, kid. Come here. Actually, no, I'm going back to base. I just can't risk it at this point. It's just not worth it. We have sword sharpness maxed out too, guys, which is this is so good. This is going in our favor right now. 19 kills. That's the most kills I've ever got in my life. Oh, why not? Why? I need teleport. I can't do anything with the teleport, right? Sheesh, teleport right there. Oh, I wasted 2 teleports by mistake. Oh yeah, that should be pretty good. Okay, guys. So we right now I don't know what I'm gonna get, but this has been such a good game right now. So guys, unfortunately there's someone on our bed right now, and oh, I thought my teammate was gonna die, but he escaped. Let's go, teammate. I was actually 47 health, guys, so I pretty much had to run away. So I see red here. I don't know. Oh, but there's another red here. Come on, come at me. Oh no, there's Emerald Armor guy right near him. Shoot. Come here. No, he plays a fireball. He's running. He's a runner. Yeah, the Emerald Armor, Emerald Sword. I don't know. I don't even know what to do, guys. I'm too nervous to do anything. I'm not that good of a player. This guy plays a TNT but doesn't care. I don't care. I got him. No, yeah, I didn't. Yeah, I got him. Let's go. 20 kills. This is so flippin' good. We have all of our teammates still alive. What is guy doing? Mining. You have Emerald Armor too. I know. You can't run away. You can't run away at this point. I need this kill so bad. My teammate is here. Monkey for life. Let's go, guys. We got the Emerald Armor guy. There's 5 more people left, and oh, there's 1 more Emerald Armor guy. Oh shoot! I'm so flipping low, guys, right now. I think I'm gonna go balloon fight, and I'm not even gonna lie. I have to go. This is such an intense game. Here's a fireball. You come here. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Once I kill you, I'm gonna get done with your team. I'm gonna be done with your teammates. I should have got a bow. I could have just bowed him. Ah, shoot. Oh, when max out on armor protection, are you like? You have to be kidding me, guys. Max out on armor protection, maxed out on sword sharpness. We have a huge advantage right now. Oh no. Oh, I think it's time to use my strat. Yeah, all my balloons pop at the same time. That always happens to me. There's so many people camping over here. One TNT is gonna destroy all of them. Oops, I placed TNT in the wrong place. Ah, shoot. Come on, this should be the right place, I think. Yes. I think I got a kill. I don't know. With this stupid annoying kid on me. I don't know anything. Come on, come here. I know you have. No, run. Phew. Where is he? Come on. Come here. I got him to one balloon. Oh shit, I need to pop my balloon. No, he's coming back up. I might. Oh no. Shoot, guys, I'm so damn low. This is so bad. I might lose this battle. No, I'm on one balloon. I don't think I can ever run out of balloons, but sure I can eventually. This guy, man. Go! No! Oh shoot, this is so bad. He literally has one balloon and he's still up in the sky. Popped his one balloon. Die of fall damage. Did he die? No, he didn't. Yay! My teammate is here. Come on, we just need to get this guy. I'm not even gonna lie, if we get this guy, we'll have more than ever chances to win. Come on, no, he has more balloons. Are you kidding me? Yeah, pushed him down. He has another balloon. Oh my god, guys, are you kidding me? No, shoot. I have 6 more TNTs. How many people are left in red? 4. 4? I don't know how much people. There are literally so less. I'm gonna just. Wow, all of them have Emerald Armor. Are you guys kidding me right now? Come on, I need to get a kill. Why are you hiding? Why are you running away? No, I'm so low. I'm so flipping. Oh, I'm legit so low, guys. Each of them have Emerald Armor. If we clutch this right now, guys, this is gonna be the biggest flipping clutch I've ever done in my life. Yeah, I do. My teammate is asking if I have Emerald Sword. Oh my god. Oops. I need to. Oh no. Chat. Don't kill me. Nice. I'm not telling I need EMs. I need EMs for balloons. Well, no, I'm not in team chat, I swear. To God, I'm not in team chat right now. Oh no, yeah, I see my teammates. Oh no, this is bad. I need EMs for balloons. No, what? Get away from me, chat. Get away. Oh my god, I almost got controlled and in the boy. I think I'm gonna go AFK right now in tier gen because I need plenty of M's. Not even gonna lie. Where's the entry? What's secret entry? I thought I made a secret entry. Guess I have to make it again. Yeah, that was a secret entry I made. Okay, so I think I'm gonna ask my teammates for ends now. Or actually leave it, never mind. I can get ends by myself. Guys, they all four of them have emerald armor. This is gonna be a tough game, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. It's a 3v4 and 3 spectators on their team. I never thought we could win, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I had zero faith in ourselves. Come here, come on. Me and my teammate are inevitable. Go in the void. Go. Get in there. Come on, you're so low. I know it. I'm low too. Let's go. It's a 3v3 now, guys. Oh my god, I never had this much. Oh, this is such a good game. Oh my god. This is gonna be a long video, guys. So hope you guys are enjoying today's video. Oh no. Oh, another red guy. Come on, teammate, let's clear him out. Let's get him in the void. Oops. No. Oh, phew. If I didn't have balloons right there, I would have been screwed. Come here. I'm gonna balloon. Nice. Now I have 160 to bully them with. Let's say I have 160 TNT. Guys, it's a 3v2 right now. Oh my god, we're clutching so hard, guys. I think we just might clutch this game. Oh my. Oh, they're over here collecting M. Sup, noob. One TNT is gonna obliterate you. I bet I missed that TNT, right? Yep, I did. I might die of fall damage if I just jump here. That kid has balloons. Are you kidding me? What's the risk? If we kill him... Oh, no. What? Oh my gosh, where am I? I'm in the map. No, what the? What the? Guys, I'm out of M. I don't have balloons. I don't have any balloons. Fall in the void. No, guys, what the? What just happened over there? I think I'm just gonna spectate my teammates right now. I don't know what just happened. I just got flinged. And I didn't have any more balloons. I just got flinged. Bedwars, please fix that glitch, man. I just lost the game because of that. But I'm pretty sure my teammates are gonna get the dub. So yeah, let's go, teammates. Look at all the dead bodies over there. I literally have how much kills? 20. Oh my teammate is using my strat. What? Oh my god, monkey. What's monkey doing? Monkey's down there fireballing. Oh my god, I'm just gonna friend request these guys real quick. They're so good at the game. Friend request, please. Oh, let's go. Let's go. One guy's pushed in the void. Bruh, I wish I was alive playing this game, guys. Not even gonna lie. So guys, on top of that, they both actually have tactical crossbow. I mean, I could have got tactical crossbow, but if I just didn't have that fling glitch, guys, oh my god, I should have stacked up on balloons. Oh man, that really sucked. But still, we might get the dub, and that was probably the most intense game of my life, guys. So yeah. Oh my god, how many balloons does this guy have? He has more than me. Oh, this guy is trying to tactical crossbow this guy. Come on, get in there. Go, get him. I didn't even have a bow in the entire game. Come on, get him. Nice. No, you have no balloons. Let's go. He pushed him. Ah, man. Of course he had more balloons. Ah, no, come on, get him. Get him. He has one balloon. Poppy balloons. Poppy balloons, you have a chance of winning. Let's go. Just this guy left. Our teammate Monkey just cleared out the last guy. So it is just this Zach left, and I think T. What is his name? T. Sean Lifk is gonna get him. I'm gonna friend request these guys because they're pretty good. Why is he placing TNTs in the void? Don't do that. Did Monkey just fall in the void? Where is Monkey now? Is he floating? Hello? Oh, he's down. I thought he was floating like me. Oh my god. Where is the last guy? We just need to get him. Oh, he's here, right here. Come on, Smart. You need to have more balloons. Yeah, Smart is not Smart. What is his name? Sean. Yeah, his name. I'll just call him Sean. He has to have more balloons. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This guy had to have. Zach had to have more balloons. Did our teammate just die? Did Monkey just die? No, he didn't. Oh, actually, Monkey accept my friend request, which is pretty good, but Small didn't. Oh, that's mean. So I think he's on Max friends. I can't even request him. Oh my god. Oh no. Sean. Oh phew. Sean almost died. I think this guy's out of balloons. He's stuck. He's stuck. It's your only chance. It's your only flippin'. No, he's definitely out of balloons. It's your literally only chance, guys. Team him. Team him. Team him. Where's Monkey? Oh, Monkey's here too. Let's go. Team him. Team him. Corner him. Corner him. Corner him down. Corner him. Come on, get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. No, he ballooned. Those annoying balloons, man. Come on, get him. Let's go. Boy. Nice. He's so low. Come on, guys. I bet he's one tactical crossbow shot. Like, no, he has emerald armor, but I bet he's so damn. Let's go. He just got fall damage and died. That was the most intense 30v30 game, guys. Oh my god. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, please do like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, peace.